Did you know that there are 3 life-changing steps for achieving wealth and becoming financially free? I want to share with you how these 3 steps have given millions of people around the world financial freedom. In addition, I want to share with you a fascinating story of how one young man took these steps to move from a place of being broke and having no money to building a fashion empire worth millions. Hi. I'm Jay, a professor at the Financial Freedom Academy. My mission is to help you achieve your financial goals and become financially free by teaching you strategies that actually work for building wealth. Today, I'm going to unveil 3 life-changing steps that you need to follow to attain wealth and financial freedom even without having any money. But first, do you know the life story of Daymond John? A kid that went from hustling on the streets to building a $6 billion fashion empire and becoming a star on Shark Tank? You could say that he's a leading example of someone who has adopted these steps that we're going to reveal to achieve financial freedom. Daymond John's journey is not just a story of resilience, but a masterclass on how to achieve financial freedom without having much to start with. Let's dive into how he transformed his life and how you can apply these steps to your own path to financial independence. Daymond grew up in Queens, New York, raised by a single mother who worked tirelessly to support their family. From an early age, Daymond learned the value of hard work and the importance of earning money to create opportunities. Whether he was shoveling snow or selling pencils, these small hustles laid the foundation for his entrepreneurial mindset. In the 1990s, Daymond noticed a gap in the fashion market. There were no major brands representing the emerging hip-hop culture. Seeing this as an opportunity, he started small, sewing wool hats in his mother's basement and selling them on the streets of Queens. Here's where the financial freedom begins to take shape. Daymond didn't wait for the perfect moment or massive funding. He started with what he had, proving that small beginnings can lead to big transformations. Daymond faced countless obstacles. Retailers rejected his brand, and funding was a constant struggle. But instead of giving up, he leaned on resourcefulness and controlling what he could through his creativity and his work ethic. He used guerrilla marketing strategy by giving his FUBU brand clothing to celebrities to be used in music videos. When a famous hip-hop artist LL Cool J wore a FUBU hat in a Gap commercial, the brand exploded into mainstream consciousness. When Daymond received a $300,000 order from a retail, he had no resources to fulfill it. Undeterred, he took loans and negotiated with manufacturers to produce the clothing on credit. He leveraged opportunities while managing risks to scale his vision. After building his multi-million-dollar FUBU empire, Daymond didn't stop. He became a best-selling author, motivational speaker, and Shark Tank judge, demonstrating the importance of multiple income streams. So here are 3 steps to become financially free, the same ones that Daymond John used to build his wealth without a lot of money. Step number 1, start small and scale gradually. On your journey to financial freedom, don't wait for the perfect resources or timing. Begin where you are, with what you have. Daymond worked smart, reinvested in his brand, and built his business for the long term. Step number 2, be disciplined and patient. Financial freedom doesn't happen overnight. Keep your vision alive and take it one step at a time, adapting along the way. Daymond was consistent and disciplined in the actions needed to achieve his goals and success with his brand. Step number 3, turn challenges into lessons. You will face many obstacles on the path to financial freedom. Instead of focusing on things like rejection or losses, focus on what you can control, like game plan strategies, your work ethic, and your goals. For Daymond, every rejection made him more creative and determined. There are many stories like this that teaches us that financial freedom isn't just about having money or creating money. It's about starting small and creating opportunities, being patient and having discipline, and learning the best ways to overcome challenges. For me, I've learned to apply these lessons toward creating additional income through trading and investing in stocks and cryptocurrencies, as well as owning and operating a successful business. In addition, I've learned from being a part of a community that helped me with creating wealth building strategies like the Financial Freedom Academy. So, are you ready to take the first step towards your own financial freedom and let Daymond's story inspire you to dream big, act boldly, and stay resilient? If so, please leave a comment below and let me know your thoughts and feedback. I would love to hear from you. To your health, wealth, and success.